part 3 video on unit 2 for the GNM third year students. Okay, here the unit name is the healthcare services in India. Okay, in this we are going to focus on the topic is the primary health centers. Okay, primary health center level. Here PHC is there, no? Every villages. What is the uses of PHC? What are the staffing pattern of PHC? What is the importance of PHC or functions of PHC? Regarding that we are going to discuss. Okay, here the PHC at the primary health center level. Here the concept of PHC, primary health center concept is in this the primary health center is formed by the who is the formation or primary health center is formed by which committee means we have discussed previously so many committees, Bohr committee, Sir Joseph committee, okay, Srivastava committee, Kartar committee, like that so many a number of committees will be there, no? Here the PHC primary health center is established or formed by the committee of Bohr committee. Okay, which year the Bohr committee will be formed? Primary health center means 1946. Okay, 1946 the Bohr committee is formed primary health center. Okay, the primary health care is there for the population. Okay, here the what is the reason why the primary health center is formed by the Bohr committee? Ante here the function is the mainly to provide curative and preventive health care. Okay, no, curative means the patients mean different age group patients will be there, no, in the community. Okay, in different age group people they are suffering with the different types of diseases. Okay, number of systems will be there, no? Okay, in number of systems the organs will be have number of diseases. Okay, the number of diseases will caused by the number of microorganisms. Okay, why the microorganisms is enters into the body means the persons who are not following personal hygiene or who are not maintained environmental hygiene, who are not drink proper purified water, or who are unable to take less nutritive values food, like that the people will be having means those are going to get some number of diseases. Okay, in this the primary health center is there for providing curative and preventive services. Okay, curative means after occurrence of disease the staff will be provide some medications, some specialized care, some specialized treatment to the sick people. Okay, for restoration of their health. Okay, in this preventive means before occurrence of disease the persons or the staffing pattern or the healthcare personnel will provide some care to the population. Okay, this is the major concept of PHC primary health centers. The concept is started or formed by the Bohr committee in 1946. Okay, next here which type of people in rural area or urban area population? Okay, especially the PHC primary health center this is provide primary health care to the rural population. Okay, who are living in the rural area, the rural area people do not suffering with the any diseases. Okay, they are healthy. Okay, they did not suffer any diseases, their health should be very good, like that the concept will be implemented by the Bohr committee. Okay, next in for example one PHC, one primary health center, how many population will be covered? Means one PHC 30,000 population should be covered in the rural area. Okay, na rural area population will be there, no? At the rural area one PHC will be there means the PHC should be covered. Ante rural area lo unnatuvanti oka primary health center anedi oka 30,000 mandi అనారోగ్యంతో ఉండకుండా వాళ్ళకి సంబంధించినటువంటి కేర్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట ఒక పిహెచ్సి ద్వారా. Okay, in a tribal area people or the backward areas will be there, no, or hill areas will be there, no. In that places one PHC should be covered only 20,000 population. Okay, this is the difference between the rural area PHC or tribal or hilly backward areas PHCs. Okay, na 20,000 population should be covered by the tribally or backward classes PHC. Okay, 30,000 population should be covered by the rural area primary health center. Okay, this is the difference between the rural area PHCs and urban area or hilly areas PHCs. Okay, next at the September 2005, okay, in the year of 2005, the number of how many number of PHCs will be there in the country? Means in our country in the year of 2005 at the month of September in this the 23,236 primary health centers will be there. Okay, now this is the important point. Okay, here we are going to discuss some functions of PHC. Okay, what are the functions is there? The primary health center is provide medical care to the all type of diseases. Okay, the disease will be suffering with the females or males or adults or children, whatever it may be, all age group people should be receive some medical care by the primary health centers. Okay, in primary health centers different staffing pattern will be there. They are able to provide medical care to the village or rural population. Okay, in this not only medical care, they are also provide maternal and child health services. Okay, some pregnant mothers will be there, or some members or delivery mothers will be there, some members or lactating mothers will be there. Okay, in pregnant preterm or internatal or postnatal, they are providing some care to the mother and children. Okay, here the family planning procedures. Okay, family planning procedures. What is the importance of family planning? Okay, what is the uses of family planning? What is the advantages of family planning? Okay, who are eligible people is there? The eligible people should be identified by the staff. Okay, if they are having one or two children, they don't want any children for conceive means immediately they are going for the ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకే, కుటుంబ నియంత్రణ పద్ధతుల గురించి ఈ యొక్క రూరల్ ఏరియాలో కానీ ట్రైబల్ ఏరియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి పాపులేషన్కి అవేర్నెస్ ఇవ్వడం అనేది ఈ యొక్క ప్రైమరీ హెల్త్ సెంటర్ యొక్క మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ అనమాట. ఓకేనా, వై? బికాస్ టు మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్ పాపులేషన్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ద పాపులేషన్ షుడ్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ మీన్స్ some problems may be arise. If the population will be very decreased means some problems will be arise. Okay, for maintenance of normal population the PHC should be have some function. Okay, why? Because some thought, some rumor thought will be there. No, why? Because in rural area people they are having two girl child means they are having one idea, we want boy child, we want boy child. Again they are participating sexual and again they are conceived, again the third generation also girl child. Okay, again they are having one fourth generation. Okay, because they did not have any awareness. Okay, due to that they are not to proceed for the family planning. అంటే ఒక రూరల్ ఏరియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళకి సరైనటువంటి అవేర్నెస్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక ఇద్దరు ఆడపిల్లలు ఉండగానే మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక అబ్బాయి కోసం అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళు ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లానింగ్ చేయించుకోకుండా డిలే చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, థర్డ్ టైం కూడా మళ్ళీ గర్ల్ చైల్డ్ అయింది, ఫోర్త్ టైం ఓకే ఫోర్త్ టైం గర్ల్ చైల్డ్ ఉన్న మళ్ళీ ఫిఫ్త్ టైం బాయ్ కోసం వాళ్ళు కన్సీవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటారు, అలా వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అనమాట. సో యాజ్ ఏ కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ నర్స్ వీ షుడ్ గివ్ సమ్ అవేర్నెస్. Okay, nowadays there is no differentiate, there is no restrictions for the girl child. Okay, girl child and boy child these are equal for our community. Okay, they are having full opportunities for boy and girls. You should not feel any feelings like that. Okay, girls also, boys also, all are our childrens. Like that, we should give some health education to the population for modifying, for attaining the tubectomy or vasectomy. ఓకే, వాళ్ళంతటా వాళ్ళు, ఇద్దరు ఆడపిల్లలైనా ఇద్దరు మగపిల్లలైనా ఎలిజిబుల్ కపుల్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళంతటా వాళ్ళు ట్యూబెక్టమీ కానీ వ్యాసెక్టమీ కానీ చేయించుకోవడానికి ముందుకొచ్చే విధంగా కమ్యూనిటీ హెల్త్ నర్స్ మోటివేట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ రోల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద సేఫ్ వాటర్ సప్లై. Okay, if the water purification not available, purifier or the filters not available, means at least if the sick people will be there, means you should provide some boiling water. Okay, why? Because for killing of viruses, bacteria, we are giving some boiled water and basic sanitation. What is the importance of sanitation? Why we should maintain the sanitation, or what are the diseases will be arise, like that we should give some awareness. Next, preventive and control of local endemic diseases. This is also one function of PHC. Another one, collection and reporting of vital statistics. Okay, maternal mortality rate or infant mortality rate or morbidity rate. Okay, child birth rate, death rate, like that all details should be collected and report should be submitted to the higher authority. Okay, next one is the educate about health. What is the importance of health? Okay, how to maintain good health? Okay, what is the way of maintenance? Exercises, yoga, meditation is important for our health, for maintenance of good health. And some of the referral system, means if we are suffering with the any diseases, means immediately we should refer to the higher hospitals. Okay, next, training of health guides or health workers. Some health workers will be there in the villages, means they are able to take some training, okay, by the PHC. Okay, how to provide minor element treatment, how to provide first aid to the sick people, like that we should give some training to the health workers. Okay, staffing pattern, who is there, how many members will be there in the PHC, means in this the staffing pattern, one medical officer will be there, one staff nurse will be there, one pharmacist will be there, one male health worker will be there, one female health worker will be there, and some lab technician. What is the importance of lab technician? They are collecting some blood sample or sputum sample or urine sample. They are giving they are doing some test and they are giving some report. Okay, next, one driver will be there or some 4th class employees will be there. This is the traffic pattern of PHC. Okay, next, at the sub center what members will be there? Okay, sub centers. In these sub centers, one male ANM will be there, one female ANM will be there, and voluntary worker one will be there. Okay, now next, in CHC, community community health center. Here the CHC, at the 2005 March, how many number of CHCs will be there? Means here 3076 CHCs will be there. Okay, here they are updating how much member of population will be covered, means 80,000 of population, 80 to 1,20,000. ఓకేనా, ఒక 80,000 నుంచి 1,20,000 వరకు పాపులేషన్ కవర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది ఎవరు? CHC. Okay, in this some specialities will be there. Okay, some surgeries, medicines or obstetric or gynecology or pediatric. Okay, some specialty doctors will be there, and 30 beds should be available for providing treatment for the patients who are suffering with the health problems. Okay, here some X-ray department also available in the CHC. There is no X-ray department available in the PHC, but the community health centers also available some X-ray departments and also lab facilities. Okay, this is the functions of PHC and staffing pattern of sub center and the community health centers.